guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make beauty and lifestyle content over here. So please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, also press that bell icon so every time I upload a video you will get notification. So in this video we are gonna try some Shark Tank and Shark approved brand. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Also, a little bit of disclaimer, there are around 3 to 4 food brands. In this video we are gonna try them out. So the very first brand from the Shark Tank is this Fay Beauty. This is their lip gloss and this is their most viral lip whip. Also I have their silky blush. I don't exactly remember in the shade Silly or something. So we are gonna try their lip product. Also this is vegan and cruelty free. This is their gloss in the shade Emerging, and look at the minimal packaging. I love the packaging. Oh my god, the applicator is so nice. Also I have nothing on my lips, so let me just put it on. The application is so smooth, the applicator is so nice, and let me just swatch it for you. Also, this is the transparent and with a hint of shimmer in it. Like, can you see the shift? Let me just zoom you in and see how beautiful the gloss look. This is their most viral lip product, Lip Whip, and this is in the shade Safe Wood. And I love the packaging. Oh, the packaging is so unique. The applicator is so thin and precise. It has doe foot applicator. The application was so smooth and it looks so beautiful. Also, it will look so good with or without the makeup, and it will suit most of the Indian skin tone. Also, once it will dry out and the shade will become 1 or 2 shades darker from this shade. And here is the swatch. Also, this is the swatch and it looks so beautiful. I think this is going to be my next favorite lipstick. So the Fay Beauty will get 8 on 10, and I don't know how long lasting these lipsticks are. So in this video we can test it out while I will eat. The next brand is jewelry brand and the Shraddha Kapoor is co-founder. So please take a guess and write down in the comment if you have guessed it right. So I am talking about the Palmonas and I really love their collection. Also, before they came on Shark Tank, I already have their neck pieces and earrings. So I don't have the packaging with me. Also their packaging is so cute, minimal, aesthetic. So this is what the neck piece look like, and this neck piece is so dainty. I got this neck piece around 3500 and their quality is so top notch. I have used their neck piece rough and tough, in the water, in the sweaty weather, and it lasted it all, and it is not tarnished at all, and it has been more than 2 years that I'm wearing this, and to be honest, it worth your every single penny. Like, it is that good. So the Palmonas will get 9 on 10. The price is slightly higher, I feel. Also, there are much competition in the Demifine jewelry, and other brands are much more cheaper than the Palmona. So I think 9 on 10 will be more than enough. Now coming to most interesting part of this video is food. Oh my god, I am a big time foodie. I love to critic food, and food is like everything. Next friend is this Eat Better Co. This is their millet namkeen desi masala, and I love namkeens all the time. I love to munch on it, and if it is good, then this is going to be my monthly favorite. I love to keep switching the namkeen. So if it is good and for a month, I will bring this. Oh my god, it already smells so good. Also, this namkeen are healthy. This is roasted and this is non-fried. It doesn't have palm oil, or it has all the healthy snack like peanut, ragi, ragi save and all. If namkeen become healthy, then I think I can munch on it day and night. Now time for some taste test. This is what it look like. It has chana. It has ragi save peanut. Oh my god. Mmm. Oh my god, this is so good. Also, it tastes so amazing. It doesn't taste like it is roasted and all. It has right amount of spiciness. This namkeen is definitely my favorite and it will get a good solid 10 on 10. Oh my god. How healthy namkeen can be this good. It has right amount of spiciness. The kick you will get. Oh my god, it's so good. I mean, you have to try it out. Also, it retail for 60 rupees for 70 gram. It's bit on expensive side, but it's healthy. So for health, everything is good. Next product from the same brand is their coffee almond laddu. I really love to eat laddus, especially the besan ka laddu. So I think I should give it a try. Huh. Also, there are 4 pieces of laddu. The laddu are so cute. Their laddu are so amazing. It has slightly bitter aftertaste, but overall it's so good. Also, it is coffee, so I think that's why it has slight bitter aftertaste. But the laddu are so amazing. Their laddu are more like whole truth protein bar, and I can munch on them, and definitely I can fill my stomach up with this. Without any second thought, this brand get a huge solid 50 on 10. Like, oh my god, this healthy snack are so good. Next brand is one of my favorite and I love their chop. So the next brand is Gabruda chop. So I ordered their kakidi chop, which I really love. So it comes in this basic disposable packaging and it's served with the mint chutney. Oh my god, it already smells so amazing. My mouth is already salivating. This is what the chop look like and now it's time for the taste. Oh my god, it's so amazing. This is so amazing. I love it. Also, guys, this is my go to lunch when I don't make lunch and I'm craving for something. And this is so good. Okay, guys, let me just finish it and I will be right back. Now it's time for rating, and I would rate it good 8 on 10. And I'm deducting 2 points because I had most amazing chop in Delhi. So, this is not that close to amazing chop, but it's totally worth it. Now it's time for some refresher, and I am big time boba tea lover. So the next brand is Boba Bhai. This is in the flavor chili guava. This is in the flavor guava chili, and I ordered it from Blinkit, and it's 330 ml, and the quantity is pretty good, and the price is pretty decent. So let's open it. I don't drink sodas and all, so I forgot how to open a can. Okay, I will be right back. So I have opened it and I have transferred this into a glass. So it has nata de coco. It's a coconut based jelly. I don't find any boba in it like the tapioca pearls, but never mind. Let's do a taste test. Oh my god, it's so refreshing. The kick of the chili is so on right point. It's like eating a guava with chili on it. Oh, sorry, there are tapioca pearls. I just got it. It's amazing. I would like to take my word back. It does have tapioca pearls and this is the transparent. Oh my god, it's so refreshing. I would definitely love to try their other flavors, the watermelon and the strawberry and the original Thai tea, because I love Thai tea. So I would rate this a good 10 on 10. Last but not the least, I have Go Zero Madagascar chocolate ice cream. I have tried their kulfi and it was amazing, and I love that kulfi. Also, I think I have tried their mango tub, like a small mango tub. So I really like Go Zero as a brand. It's a clean brand and it has 149 calories in it, and it is zero sugar added. So the sweetness is so right and so perfect, and I think I will like it too. This is what the ice cream look like. Uh, Hmm, it's pretty amazing. So, if you guys love dark chocolate, you will like it because it has slight bitter aftertaste. The sweetness is so balanced. So, I would rate it a good 10 on 10. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating this video. So guys, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, and also guys, please don't forget to follow me on all my socials and share this video with your friends and family. I will see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.